Today, we're going to walk through how to easily set up your stable node. You can find my full article in the video description, available in both English and French. Hi, I'm Brazenode. I'm passionate about blockchain, and especially about nodes. I share my knowledge through articles and videos, so feel free to follow me on Medium, Twitter, and YouTube. You can find the latest news about projects and promising new ventures on my social media, and on YouTube, I share simple videos to help you set up your node. The node I'm showing you today is the Stable node. Stable is a network built to be fast and cost-efficient, designed for both large companies and everyday users, with real-world applications at its core. The team has raised a total of $28 million to build and grow the ecosystem. To run your node, you can either use your own computer or a VPS. I recommend the second option for security reasons and to ensure the best possible uptime for your node. Contabo offers a great solution, and since the Stable node requires mid-range resources, I suggest choosing the VPS 20. You'll find the link in the video description or on my Medium. It's a referral link. Just follow what I do on screen to order your VPS. You'll receive your login details by email, and you can follow my putty guide to connect to your VPS easily. Now that you're connected to your VPS, you can follow the steps I'm showing on screen. When you need to paste commands into your VPS, simply right-click with your mouse or use Ctrl+V. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. After downloading the essential components on your VPS, you can now install the Stable client. The Stable client allows you to install your node and interact with the blockchain. After downloading the Stable client, you will initialize it and install the node's configuration files. You can now run the Stable node in the background on your VPS. First, we'll prepare the system that will handle the background process, then download the snapshot, and finally you'll be able to start the node. Congratulations! Your node has been successfully installed. You can check your node's logs using the following command. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to retrieve your node's keys. If you're not tech-savvy and prefer to let a third party handle the deployment and management of your node, you can deploy your node with EasyNode. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. To retrieve your node's keys, run the following commands on your VPS. Keep in mind that, for now, the keys are only compatible with Cosmos.